50-inch 4K TVs, and many of you wanted to know if we will launch any new version of 32-inch TV. What if I tell you that the Realme Smart TV 32 inches is the best-selling TV model of Realme Smart TV range, and today it receives a significant update in a form of a newly upgraded Realme Smart TV Full HD 32 inches. The most significant upgrade of this TV is quite noticeable. With the resolution upgrade done to 1920 by 1080 pixels, the small screen packs a massive number of pixels, which allow the viewers to enjoy an unprecedented, crystal clear picture from the screen. You might be amazed at how a minor resolution upgrade can make such a big difference. This is because of the pixel per inch value, that while we kept the screen size same at 32 inches diagonal, we increased the resolution from HD to Full HD, which means that now every inch has more number of pixels, and hence you can get a much crisper viewing experience from the same screen. The screen also comes with a peerless color performance in this segment. With a wide NTSC color gamut coverage of up to 85%, the screen shows a more realistic, rich and colorful picture than the traditional TVs, with a color gamut coverage of only 60% to 70%. The Smart TV also features the Realme's exclusive Chroma Boost picture engine, making the visual look more relaxed and better, enabled by adjusting the brightness, contrast and suitable colors. That being said, we give you an option to play around with these settings to best suit your needs. It also has 7 built-in preset display modes to provide diverse and more suitable display styles for different types of content. The Realme Smart TV Full HD 32 inches features a high-end bezel-less design with a bezel width of only 8.7 millimeters, which makes it an excellent fit into the home environment and provides a continuously immersive viewing experience. To provide an amazing cinematic sound, the Realme Smart TV 32 inches Full HD comes with the excellent 24-watt quad speakers as usual, and with the built-in independent all-range speakers and tweeters, the TV brings a richer and dynamic sound to the listeners. It also is equipped with the advanced Dolby audio algorithm, which makes the sound performance even better, and you can enjoy an astonishing cinematic surround sound just sitting at home. The Realme Smart TV 32 inches Full HD also comes with the most popular official Android TV system and has the power of Google Assistant built right in. It also comes with a fabulous Chromecast feature that allows you to mirror your smartphone's content to your TV and seamlessly switch between devices. You can also mirror your photos and videos to your TV through the Google Home app and share amazing memories with your family and friends and cherish them together. The built-in Google Play Store provides 5,000 plus TV apps and games, which gives you access to 50,000 plus movies and TV shows for your non-stop family entertainment. It is preloaded with the most popular apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video and Live TV to meet your daily entertainment needs. To ensure excellent picture quality, the Realme Smart TV 32 inches Full HD features a powerful MediaTek 64-bit quad-core processor with an ARM Cortex-A53 1.1 GHz CPU and a new Mali 470 MP3 GPU. It is also equipped with 1 GB DDR3 RAM and 8 GB flash ROM to ensure stable and smooth daily use. The variety of interfaces in Smart TV is of major importance and is very essential. Catering to this need, Realme Smart TV Full HD 32 inches supports 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, and also supports Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi. All these diverse interfaces allow the Smart TV to achieve more possibilities. The Realme Smart TV 32 inches Full HD is also built with the same exact quality standards that will stay with you and your family for a long time. Before we conclude, let's quickly look at this short video of the Realme Smart TV Full HD.
Dancing, floating, crazy on the air, colorful world, and young and vibrate. Rich pictures now.
Realme Smart TV Full HD. Rich picture, rich sound. Realme, dare to leap.
To conclude, Realme Smart TV Full HD comes with a super Full HD display, 24-watt quad stereo speakers with Dolby audio. The TV is based on Android and has